In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Airalo app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. You can find the Play Store icon on your device's home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap on it, the Play Store will launch and you'll see various apps and games available for download. This is your gateway to countless applications, including Airalo. If you are not logged in, you may be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. Logging in is important because it keeps your app downloads linked to your account, making it easier to manage them later. Once the Google Play Store is open, the next step is to tap the search bar at the top and type Airalo. The search bar is prominently displayed, making it easy to locate. As you begin typing, suggestions may appear below, but go ahead and finish typing out the full name of the app. This action is crucial because it helps filter through the thousands of apps available, leading you directly to Airalo. After typing, you can either hit enter or tap on the search icon. This will initiate the search and display the results in just a moment. Now that you've searched for Airalo, you will need to select the official Airalo Travel eSIM Internet app developed by Airalo. Look for the app that has the right logo and is published by Airalo. This step is essential to ensure you are downloading the legitimate app, as there may be similar apps with different developers. Taking a moment to verify this prevents any issues down the line. Once you find it, just tap on the app icon to proceed to the next stage. After selecting the Airalo app, it's time to tap Install. You will see an Install button clearly displayed on the app's page. This button is vital as it begins the downloading process. When you tap it, the app will start downloading and installing automatically. Depending on your internet connection speed, this may take a few moments. You can monitor the progress through a loading bar that appears on the screen. Rest assured, this step ensures the app is downloaded directly to your device for immediate use. Once the installation is complete, you should see an Open button appear. This signifies that the Airalo app is now ready to use. Tapping Open will launch the app, allowing you to set it up for your needs. If you prefer, you can also find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer for easier access later. This is a great way to ensure that you can find the app quickly whenever you need it. With the Airalo app installed and opened, you can now explore its features. This app provides a convenient solution for accessing eSIM data while traveling. It simplifies the process of staying connected without needing to swap physical SIM cards. As you navigate through the app, you'll find various options tailored to your travel needs, making it a valuable tool for any globetrotter. In summary, downloading the Airalo app on your Android device is a straightforward process. By following these steps, opening the Google Play Store, searching for Airalo, selecting the official app, and tapping Install, you are well on your way to accessing eSIM services for your travels. Thank you for watching and enjoy your seamless internet experience with Airalo.